The worst thing just happened to me. I've never felt so much pain in my life. So much grief. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. I went to McDonald's and I got a Happy Meal. And I came home and looked inside the box. And there was a boy toy. And when I asked for a girl toy, they gave me a boy toy. I wanted strawberry shortcake, not a lightsaber. I did go to McDonald's and got a Happy Meal, and yeah, they gave me a boy toy when I asked for a girl one. But you know, this lightsaber's kind of cool. It kind of looks like a robot boner. Damn it. Expelliarmus! Fucking McDonald's choice. Expelliarmus. Expelliarmus.